List of tech jobs trending in 2025. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, reshaping industries, the job market, and how we work. With 2025 on the horizon, a new wave of in demand tech roles has emerged, driven by advancements in AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and more. Whether you're looking to start a career in tech or shift into a new role, staying informed about the latest job trends is essential. In this video, we'll dive into 5 tech jobs that will be trending in 2025, highlighting what makes them critical in today's digital world. From developers to data scientists, cybersecurity experts to AI specialists, these roles are at the forefront of innovation. Let's explore which careers are in demand and the skills needed to succeed in them. Lists of tech jobs that will be trending in 2025 are AI specialist, designing, programming, and training artificial intelligence systems; quantum computing engineer, developing quantum algorithms and working on quantum hardware; data privacy officer, ensuring companies adhere to privacy laws and best practices; 5G network, engineer installing, maintaining, and optimizing 5G networks; virtual reality developer, creating immersive VR content and applications for various industries;